IIT Law School. Today I am going to tell you a brief explanation of all the economic assignments we are doing this semester. So firstly, we have the impact of crime economy. So actually I took the different indicators like literacy, infant mortality, and we did a regression equation and we saw how crime is getting affected in different. And then next we have the financial ratios. I took the financials of Reliance Industries, and their financial ratios are given as with the formulas. Next I am going to talk about the schedule. The seventh schedule is in the Indian Constitution under Article 8. It contains all the powers of central and state government. As we know, India is a federal structure government. So the union list contains 100 items which the parliament can legislate exclusively on. And then we have state list, and it has important functions of the state like police and all. Then we have the concurrent list where both parliament and the state legislature can make bills. And if there is any dispute between both of the state government and the central government's parliament, they take bills. And then next we have some of the few economic laws that can be related to lawyers or the profession of law. First is the Income Tax Act. It was started in 1961. It provides for income tax and all. Then we have the Customs and Central Excise Act and Customs. They all basically deal with central taxes and export. And then we have SENVAT, sales tax, and all monopolistic and restrictive trade practices. Then we have SENVAT. So what basically SENVAT is it is a value added tax central government, and then in the process of manufacturing there will be different companies who provides the raw materials and where they manufacture. So all of them they pay the SENVAT tax, and to prevent the cascading effect of tax from one company to the next company, they give you SENVAT. So the main inclusions in SENVAT are the main goods used by the manufacturer, any goods used for of electricity or steam, and any goods providing with free warranty, they all at SENVAT. And then exclusions mainly are petrol and other fossil fuels, capital goods, etc.